That's a crazy question. That one's really stray. I don't really have a good answer for that one. Don't know. No idea. So I've been in the industry a long time, probably 25 years now. Started in industry finance and transitioned to the dark side of consulting about 25 years ago. I'd say both sales and delivery, so I've got experience on both sides. That's very helpful in this role. Ooh, probably X-ray vision would become very handy in my hobby. Yeah, so I'm restoring a couple of classic cars, and you can't really see what's behind certain things. So X-ray vision would be great. Oh, great question. Probably Elton John. Yeah, always been a favorite of mine. Captain Fantastic. Yeah, he's good. It's having immediate and midterm impacts. It's mostly being applied to predictive modeling. So finance organizations are trying to move towards a generative forecast, but obviously with guardrails, because the technology is early on in its life cycle. So you might expect to get wild results in some cases. So it's being used selectively, but carefully. Certainly attending and graduating NASCAR driving school and actually driving a NASCAR test car at about 198 miles per hour at Atlanta Motor Speedway. When I was real little, no question, a professional baseball player. Yeah, that's an easy one. In this economy, in this current state, I would say really just sustaining performance. Most of my CFOs are not looking to grow their businesses 30%. They're somewhat in survival mode. However, they are looking to build short and midterm roadmaps on how they can modernize finance. Certainly robotic process automation, AI, generative reporting, generative commentary associated with reporting are all topics they're pursuing, and we're playing a part in that.